Okay guys, it's movie night and Rain and I are going to be making her favorite banana Nutella shake using our Bauman Living Power Blender. Are you guys ready?
Yes, Daddy.
Let's go! So as you can see, all we need are some very simple ingredients, things that are most likely already in your refrigerator or in your pantry. Starting off, of course, with bananas. I have them peeled already. And then next, ice cream, just so that we don't need to use milk and ice anymore. And it also gives it a nice creaminess. The reason why we're using vanilla is because not everyone likes chocolate. So if we use vanilla and then we just add a chocolate syrup, everyone is happy. Because those that want it to be more chocolatey, just all they need to do is add the syrup. And then of course you're gonna need some hazelnut spread, any brand, but of course you know which brand we used. I added some fruity pebbles as sprinkles because I ran out of sprinkles. And then you have a spray can of whipped cream and you should be good to go. Guys, the Bauman Living Power Blender is so ridiculously easy to use. If I can use it with no problems, so can you. Look at that gorgeous stainless steel base, that easy to use push button panel, and the 700 ml blending jar. It also comes with a smaller 350 ml blending cup and a travel lid with a drinking spout that easily fits into the blending jar. Oh, Rainbow, show us how you make your shake.
First, we put in the bananas. Second, we put in the ice cream. And last, we put the hazelnut spread. Now, Daddy will cover the jar and lock it into the blender.
Once you hear that beep, it's time to let the magic happen. After that, we just spray on a little bit of the whipped cream. Not the prettiest thing in the world. That's okay. Hindi naman tayo chef. And then we just sprinkle on the fruity pebbles. Rain just saw a jar of Sticko in the pantry, so she decided to add that. And there you have it. A very easy recipe. Just using ingredients that are in the kitchen or pantry. And you get a delicious banana Nutella shake. Yummy.